Hello. This is the infrared receptor. The left legs is is the input, 5 volt, and the second is the JND, and the right legs is the information. This connected with the Arduino. And now let's connect this in the Tesla. This is in the middle is the JND. And this is connected with 5 volt here. And this is the JND. And this is information. In our program, we connected with digital read 2 is the digital ports here. And let's connect the LEDs. Is for LEDs, and this green LEDs is for know if there is any information received by this receiver, infrared receiver or not. It blinks. And now let's connect them with the Arduino. Is that in the port 7? I'm sorry. And connect the JND. With this, let's put it there. I'm sorry. And this green LED for know if there is an information or no, connected with port 13. And now the project is all that is connected, and let's program it in the computer. And this is the program that we use in our little project. and I will put it in the comment. And if you have any question or some or problem, anything, you can ask me on the comments, and like and subscribe in my channel to have any news. And now this is the remote control that I use. It's for Sony, like I said it before. And now this LED blinks if there is any signal in the ER receiver. As you can see here, when I put on any button, it blinks. Here, any buttons. But and if I put with this 4 buttons, it's to control these LEDs. You can see the green is blinks and that. And if I put my LED here and that and this, you can see it. And good luck with your works, and thank you, and subscribe and like and share my videos if you like it. Thank you.